In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban View in Monday.com to manage tasks visually. To get started, open your Monday.com board. This is the workspace where your tasks, projects, or workflow items are already organized. Before setting up the view, take a quick moment to confirm that your board includes a status column. This is important because the Kanban layout uses status labels to organize your items into visual columns. If that column is already there, you're ready to continue. Next, look for the Add View option on your board and click it. This is where Monday.com lets you create different ways to look at the same information without changing the actual items themselves. Adding a new view is helpful because it allows you to switch between formats depending on how you want to work. For example, a table view is great for detailed editing, while a Kanban view is much better for seeing progress at a glance. Once the view options appear, choose Kanban View. This will create a board layout that displays your items as cards arranged in vertical columns. Each column represents a stage in your workflow, which makes it much easier to understand what is pending, what is in progress, and what has already been completed. It's a simple visual system, but it can make a big difference when you're tracking multiple tasks at once. After that, select the status column as the grouping field. This tells Monday.com how to sort your items into the Kanban columns. In other words, each card will appear under the column that matches its current status. Setting the correct grouping field is what makes the board function properly as a Kanban workflow, so it's worth checking that this selection is correct. Now that the view is set up, you can drag items between columns as their status changes. For example, when a task moves from not started to working on it, you can simply click and drag that card into the appropriate column. This makes updating progress feel fast and intuitive, and it also gives your team a clear visual snapshot of what's happening in real time. Use Kanban View to manage tasks visually. It's especially useful when you want a cleaner, more interactive way to track progress and keep work moving forward. As you continue using it, you'll likely find that this view makes task management feel more organized, more transparent, and much easier to follow.